Hi, it's Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about MIF, Multiple Income Funnel. We're going to go over the affiliate links and capture pages that they provide for you with your membership. To join MIF is only $49 a month, and it's well worth it. So I'm going to make me a little smaller, put me in the corner, and then we're going to jump over here, my back office. And here we have the links tab. So this shows you, you have Facebook lead capture 1 and 2. Your affiliate link is right underneath. And then underneath that shows how many hits you get, how many leads you get, how many people watch the video sales letter, how many sales you get. Here's a Facebook group VSL, a lead capture page 1, lead capture page 2 and 3. Then there's a video sales letter and a video sales letter, no timer. And that's it. Those are the pages. Let me blow them up a little bit for you. So that's what they look like. These have been tested. These are the best ones that get the most sales and signups. So these are really good capture pages and video sales letters to collect leads with. We can custom build you this exact same website so you can start earning multiple commissions from 4 different income streams, all on 100% autopilot. So really all you have to do is get this set up and then drive traffic to it. In the next video, we're going to talk about traffic and how you can get traffic through MIF. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit all on the bell icon so next time I put out a video, you get notified. Thanks.